What you doing? Got a mic? Huh? Pretty good. You heard all those gunshots earlier? Oh, I've been here for a minute. There's been a lot of gunshots around here. No, I saw you. I saw you. What's up? Really? I have the hoe out, but that's just because it's less intimidating than the gun. So, you trying to vibe with a rando then? Good shit. Oh, fuck. Yeah, I got in the back of the truck. Get in the truck, get in the truck, get in the truck. Hell yeah, fuck it. Go Rambo. I'm I'm here for it. Hey, don't come any closer. Get the fuck out of here. What are you doing? God damn. Now you got a helmet, that's right. Oh, my bad. Hey, what are you doing? What the fuck? Get the fuck out of here. Hey. Nah, it's too late for that, buddy. Yeah. God damn, 2 in a row? No, she was playing earlier. Yeah. No, she was... When the wrench gets to badly damaged, are you gonna quit using it and just hold it?
No. I'll probably commit suicide. Ugh. And now we run back.
I gotta eat a pill first. Yeah, it's definitely not
You sound
whatever
like a
we thought
zombie.
it was. Yeah, I feel like a zombie.
We're gonna try something here. Bear the wrench. Take it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Hold on,
Carry it.
here. You gotta have the hoe.
I'll take your hoe.
Watch you start throwing up immediately.
Literally incinerate.
A fucking bomb comes and just gets you. Hey, I'm not sick anymore.
Dude.
It took fucking 7 pills.
You're kidding. It took the wrench. You take that
God.
back.
Yeah, come here, I'll give it to you. Are y'all seeing anything new?
Just a bunch of fucking zombies. That's about it. What the fuck?
Fuck! We gotta go, we gotta go, we gotta go.
Hold on.
Run.
We might be okay. Just chill. Just run for your fucking life. We're dead.
I think I'm running towards the circle too. I don't know. Fuck.
I'm out.
I'm getting attacked. Dude, I'm dead. There's no way. Fuck. I have 3 cuts.
Fuck.
I have poison. I'm done. I'm cooked. I'm cooked, chat. I died.
You're dying. Oh no. Not my boy.
I'm gonna cry. You know what's funny?
My wrench. No.